In this video, we are going to talk about some specific Google Merchant Center error and we bring you some solutions and tips on how to fix it. Invalid shipping or tags. Within Google Merchant Center, many people forget to set up their tags and shipping information. Imagine ordering something without address. Of course it can work. How to fix this? To set up tags, you need to go to tags information in your Merchant Center account, then go to shipping rule and set up shipping from your settings. If you need help with this, then you can check Google Help Center guide. Why there are so many people turning to BlueWinston? In BlueWinston, thanks to your feed you can cover up to 5 types of Google advertising campaigns to get the best results and maximize your sales. Product search and shopping campaigns you can create via BlueWinston. Product text ads for specific products, products group text ads, dynamic search ads for products, human search based ads, smart shopping ads. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe or watch the next video.